You're looking for a very affordable, beginner-friendly, natural-looking wig, honey, you are in the right place. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi. For those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, I'd like to say a big old fat welcome back to another wig review. Thank you for joining me in another wig review. Today's wig review is brought to you by the company Divatress. Thank you for sponsoring this video. Thank you for trusting me in doing this wig review for you. So the wig that we'll be reviewing today is by Outre in the style Every14. So it's part of the everywear lace front wig line. So without further ado, let's go ahead and watch me install the wig, and please come back and watch me give you my 2, 3, 4 cents on whether you should be picking up this wig. Let's go.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. You pick the station, sunrise, no destination, no lie, I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. You pick the station, sunrise, no destination, no lie, I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Be thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. Be thinking
Everywhere in the style Every14. I have in the color chocolate. It does come with 3 combs and an adjustable strap. It does have air-to-air HD lace. It is heat resistant up to 400 degrees. It is very easy to apply, like the easiest wig. It does not have to be laid down. The lace blends beautifully. If you do lay it down though, it does look very melted towards the skin where it doesn't lift, like right here. You know how it typically has a thing if you don't lay it down properly. Not this one, not gonna do it. The style of the curls for this wig is of a wavy nature, though hair is synthetic, but it's not too shiny of a synthetic. It has a little bit of flyaways, not that much to complain about. If you use hairspray, it will go away, so not that much, not that bad for flyaways. It doesn't tangle. It is big head friendly. The wig is very, very natural. It's a great everyday wig. Here's what it looks like on the stock card. And hair's fine. I just didn't do the baby hairs. So, if you are looking for a very, 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 very affordable wig unit, a very affordable wavy baby, if you're looking for a very affordable, beginner-friendly, natural-looking wig, honey, you are in the right place. This wig is so low. It is under $30. Yes. I'm not playing tricks on you. It starts from under $30. Yep. Very, very affordable. Get that in the budget. That's like what, maybe 5 trips at Starbucks. I don't know how to do Starbucks. I could imagine it's expensive. So maybe 3 trips. I don't know. Stop drinking Starbucks for a week and honey, you could afford this wig. Trust me. Okay? Trust me. You need this wig in your life. Look at the color. And the color that I got, I think I may have said it, is chocolate. Yep, chocolate. So I love this wig. I think I'll give it a 9.5 just because of the tiny bit of flyaways, even if I said it wasn't a lot. But the one before that had no flyaways. That one got a 10, so ain't no way this one won't get a 10 with a little bit of flyaways. So yeah, I really love the color. It does come in different colors. It does come in the natural 1B2, and it, you know, goes on to the special colors: cinnamon spice, golden amber, DRFF4 champagne, DRFF 2596J, DRFF 22730. So whatever floats your boat, there's a color that you might, you know, gravitate to. You could probably get it in that range. You go ahead and check it out. And don't forget to go ahead and check it out at, you guessed it, Divatress.com, because they sponsor this week. Thank you, Divatress, for sponsoring this week. And I do encourage you guys to go over there and shop for the greatest and latest wigs. So if this video is something that resonates with you, something that you enjoy, maybe you love my energy, maybe you love my face, maybe you don't like it, you just want to watch me, but either way, I encourage you to smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, smash that thumbs up, and share the video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what is on your mind. I don't care what it is. Well, yeah, I do. Anything that is family friendly, let me know what is on your mind down in the comment section. So again, thank you for watching my video. If you got to the end of the video, you are the real MVP. I do appreciate you watching, and thank you for coming to my channel. Welcome to Beauty for Eye. If you did, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in